Welcome back to day 10. Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. Tired of jarring cuts between your clips? Transitions are the answer. In under 3 minutes, you'll learn how to add a simple, professional transition to smooth out your edits. To find transitions, we need to open the Transitions browser. It's this icon on the right side of the screen that looks like a sideways hourglass. You can skim your mouse over any transition to see a preview of what it does. The most common and useful transition is the cross dissolve. It creates a simple, clean fade between two clips. To apply it, just click and drag the transition from the browser and drop it directly on the cut point between your two clips in the timeline. Now, when you play it back, instead of a hard cut, the first clip will gently fade into the second. It's a much smoother viewing experience. You've added your first transition, but what if you want it to be faster or slower? In the next video, we'll learn how to easily adjust the duration of any transition. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 11.